Hi everybody. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reflect an object on a grid using a mirror line. We'll work through example 1 and then we'll try an exam style question. And if you want to work along with me, you can download a copy of a PDF from my website. I'll leave a link below. So in our first question, we've been asked to reflect triangle P in the line x equals 3. So when we reflect an object, we flip it over the mirror line. And we're told that the mirror line in question A is x equals 3. So we need to draw on this line. And this means that the x value of our line must always be on 3. So the y value will change, but the x value will always be 3. So we'll have this vertical line here. And when we reflect the object, every vertex passes through this mirror line, and it passes through the same distance on the other side of the mirror line. So this point is reflected to here. We'll label this new vertex. And this vertex passes through the mirror line at right angles. It goes the same distance on the other side, so it goes to this point. Then this vertex is 3 away, so it goes 3 on the other side, and it comes to this point. So all we need to do is join these 3 vertices together, and this will create our reflected image, okay? And we'll label this triangle Q. So do you want to try question B? So we draw the line y equals 5, which is this horizontal line in green. And then every vertex passes through this mirror line, so it follows the same distance on the other side. And this point is reflected to here. When we reflect this vertex, you can see it's 4 units away, so we'll go 4 on the other side, and I'll go to this point. And then our final vertex will go 4, and then another 4, so it's reflected to here. And then we'll recreate this image. Okay? And for question C, well, now we're told that our mirror line is x equals y. So if we look at x being 1, y must be 1. If x is 2, y must be 2. So our mirror line will be like this. So every x value, 9, is equal to the y value, 9. And the idea for reflecting is exactly the same. Each vertex on our object passes through the mirror line at 90 degrees. So we can see this is one diagonal away. So it will pass through the same distance on the other side. So it's reflected to here. And then this vertex is 1.5 away. So we'll go a half and 1, and it's reflected to here. And then for our final vertex, this will be 2.5. So this will go to here. And then we'll create our reflected image. Okay? Let's try the exam style question. So in our exam style question, we're asked to reflect triangle B in the line x equals 0, and then to reflect triangle A in the line y equals negative x. And then for part C, to describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So if you want to try this question yourself, you can pause the video, and when you come back, we'll go through the solution. Okay, so welcome back if you're ready to go. So we need to draw the mirror line x equals 0, and this is the y-axis. So we'll draw a vertical line at x equals 0. And then every vertex on our object passes through the mirror line to an equal distance on the other side. So we have this point here and this point here. And the final vertex is 4 away, so this will be 4, negative 5 here. So this will be our reflected image. And then to reflect triangle A in the line y equals negative x. So if we pick an x value of 1, y must be negative this value. So this must be 1 and negative 1. If we pick an x value of 2, y must be negative 2. 3 and negative 3. So our mirror line will go in this direction. And then to reflect the object, we'll pick a vertex and we'll pass through the mirror line at 90 degrees to the other side at this point. We'll do the same again. This is 1.5. So this will go to here. And for our final vertex, this is 1, 2.5. So we'll pass through the same distance and we go to here. So this is our reflected image. And then finally for part C, describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. Well, we can see it's been flipped. So this is a reflection. And the mirror line will be at halfway between the object and the image. So that'll be on this line, which is y equals -3. So we need to specify it's a reflection in the line y equals -3. Okay? Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe. And you can download the full lesson and the PDF that accompanies this video from my website, mrmathematics.com. I'll leave a link below.